How to get priority boarding on Southwest Airlines. Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, you would learn how you can get priority boarding on Southwest Airlines. Now, to get priority boardings, you have several options. One of the options is for you to purchase the early bird check-in for your flight, which gives you an earlier boarding position, or you can purchase the upgrading boarding to get a boarding position in the A1, A15 group. Now, how do you purchase this? Scroll down to or navigate to the flight section. Select the kind of trip you want. Is it a round trip or a one-way trip? Select your departure date, your arrival date, the departure location, your arrival location, departure date, arrival date, passenger. Then click on search. After clicking on search, you'll be taken to the next page where you would see flights. All right, flights that are available for those days and fit into your category. Then click on the one you want amongst the ones displayed. So after clicking on the one you want, you'll be taken to another page where you'll see different categories. All right. So on this category, you can see different options. You can see business select anytime on a getaway. Now another way of getting priority boarding is by booking a business select fare. This business select fare has includes priority boarding privileges. So you can just book a business select fare, and then after booking a business select fare, you can see options like refundable priority on boarding. All right, and then the next thing to do is to click on select next flight. All right, select next flight. Just click on that, and then you'll be taken to the next flight page. So on this page, if for example you selected the one or get away category, all right, you can now see options like the upgrade. Now by the time you click on this upgrade option, you will be getting the upgrade upgraded boarding, and then you'll get a boarding position in the A1 A15 group. The A1 A15 group is a special group where you are given priority privileges. So by the time you click on upgrade, you have a chance to belong to that group and also get your priority packages. And then you can click on continue and you are good to go. Then another way of getting priority boarding on Southwest Airlines is by being a Rapid Reward member. Yes, by being a Rapid Reward member. And how do you become a Rapid Reward member? It is not difficult. Now let's go back to the home page. Now on this page, all right, to become a Rapid Reward member is basically to have an account with Southwest Airlines. All right, if you don't have an account with Southwest Airlines, you cannot be a Rapid Rewards member. So you can see I have an account already, and you can see the option Rapid Rewards. And once you click on it, you can see different things that I can use Rapid Rewards for. So by the time you're a Rapid Rewards member, you would get a priority boarding pass or card. The other thing is to travel as a family. Okay, when you travel as a family, the family boarding is also available, and then you can also make use of your military benefits if it's applicable. These are the different ways whereby you can get priority boarding on Southwest Airlines. Very simple, very very simple. Thanks for watching to this point, and have a safe trip.